Good evening guys to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. And guys, today is the third session of Theory of Machines. And this session we will be covering gear and gear trains. You know that this is a topic which is very important for GATE examination, because every year one question is coming from this topic for sure. The question may be from gear, maybe from gear train. So guys, we are starting the session. Just like and share the session so that other student can also join. Yes, Manas, good evening. Kalpesh, good evening. Teju, hello. Naveen, good evening. Malesh, good evening dear. So we are starting the session guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, this is my detail. I am having around 10 plus years of experience. Cracked GATE many times, written many research and review papers. These are my areas of interest and the subject is going on theory of machines. Mani, good evening. Midun, good evening. Bhai. Let us move further. So guys, as you know, only 5 months are to go for the GATE examination. So for that, free GATE Achiever series is going on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app for GATE 23 candidates. So you can join that. There we are also going for the previous year's question. And Rakesh sir would be taking a workshop on 25th of September at 12:30 p.m. and it is related to the AIR 100 in GATE 2024. So those who are preparing for 24, this is going to be very helpful for you guys. Great Teju, it's great. Shubham, good evening. Sunil, hi dear. So don't worry, DPP2 solution you will be getting tonight, okay? And DPP3 will be coming tomorrow on the topic of gears. So if you want to get free GATE workshop, free GATE ebook for the preparation, you will be getting this. For that, link is there in the description box. So guys, the very first question in front of you is this. There are two spur gears have a velocity ratio of 1/4. The driven gear has 80 teeth of 8 mm module and rotates at 240 rpm. And you need to find out the number of teeths, the speed of the driver and the pitch line velocities. So this is the question guys. You know pitch line velocity is nothing but Vp is equals to R into omega. So guys, just try to solve this question. It is a very good question. Yes, try to solve this. You know that they are saying two spur gears have a velocity ratio. So you know that velocity ratio is what? 1/4 they are saying. So it is N1 by N2 is going to be 1/4. So you know that when we are talking about the speed ratio, velocity ratio, when he is saying 1/4, obviously smaller gear will be rotating with more speed, larger gear will be rotating with slow speed. So the driven gear has 80 teeth of 8 mm module. Module is also given as 8 mm. So you know that we can write N1 by N2 as T2 by T1. Okay, so we can write like this. And module, when we are talking about module is nothing but diameter by number of teeth. So guys, the speed is also given to you. Try to solve this question, then we will move further to the question number 2. Yes, Teju, Shubham, Sunil, Nagaraju, yes. So guys, just share the session. I am also sharing at all the places. You just solve this question till then, okay? Let me share. Yes guys, try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. Yes. Yes guys. So first of all, you can find out. First of all, find out the second speed as it is given as 240 rpm. It is given that driven gear is rotating at 240 rpm. So you know if it is N1 by N2. Driver, if nothing is mentioned, we will assume that driver is smaller gear. Smaller gear rotates with higher speed. So my dear, we will assume this driven gear is rotating with 240. So obviously as the ratio is 1/4, it means it is very clear N2 can be written as 4 times of N1. So we are saying 2 as driver and 1 as driven. You can use the opposite terminology as well. So I am writing N driver will be coming out to be 4 into 250 or 240. So you will be getting the driver gear speed as 960 rpm. 960 rpm. Okay, so you know that this N ratio is just opposite. With the help of this, you can find out the number of teeth After getting number of teeth, you can find out whatever the else things are required. Yes, solve this question. Shubham, Teju, Sunil, Nagaraju, Mani, Malesh, Naveen, what would be the answer? Yes, so you are saying 20 teeth. Very good. Very good. The number of teeth you have found out. The speed of driver also we have found out. Very good, guys. So you can write n of driver by n of driven. T of driven, T of driver. So you will be finding out the T of driver. And it is coming out to be yes, as you have calculated 20 is the right answer. So my dear, now you need to see the pitch line velocity. For that, my dear, you need to find out the diameter. You know the number of teeth module is same for both the gears. Apply this equation. You can write module 1 is d1 by t1 and then pitch line velocity is r1 into omega. And you can also see m2, r2 omega 1. m2 is d2 by t2 and pitch line velocity of second will be r2 omega 2. Yes, find out the pitch line velocity as well, guys. This type of question you can get in the GATE examination. So if you see, they are asking the pitch line velocity as well. So solve it to get the answer. Yes, guys. So I feel majority of the students are enjoying the cricket match. They are not interested in Tom much. So what is the pitch line velocity we are getting, guys? What is the pitch line velocity we are getting, guys? Modules are same. Arey bhai, both are mating gears, so module are same. For mating gears, modules are always same. You know that, I feel so. For any two mating gears, modules are always same. Yes. Solve it, guys. Solve it. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Sachin, good evening, bhai. Kaha फरार थे आप इतने दिनों से? Sachin, you have not attended previous 2 sessions also. And are you attending the DPPs I am sharing? Yes, Basanti, good evening. Okay, Teju have found out it as Teju, please. Okay, 8.0. Yes, it is correct. Teju have found out the pitch line velocity as 8.038 4 meter per second. It is meter per second. Yes, it is coming for both. VP1 is equals to VP2. Yes, very good. Great, 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 Sachin. So moving to the next question. So from now onward, be regular because now very important topics are coming. In the next class, we are going to discuss vibrations. Very good, Kalpesh. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Now this is question number 2 in front of you, guys. The number of teeth of a spur gear is 40. So they are saying the number of teeth. Okay, it is 40, and it rotates at 200 RPM. They are asking what will be its pitch line velocity if module is 2 mm. I feel you know everything. Module is given by d by t and pitch line velocity is r into omega. So use these things and get the value. I feel everyone will be getting this. Basanti, I would like to say that if the speed of driver is more, the number of teeth obviously will be in the same ratio because N1 by N2 is T2 by T1. Okay. So number of teeth ratio and the speed ratio, you know it is in inverse relation. Okay, very good, Teju have done it very quickly because you know module is d by t. D can be written as 2 times of radius by t. So radius can be written as mt by 2. You just need to use this. It is mt by 2 into omega. Okay, very good, Manas, Naveen. I feel everyone from you have given the answer, and the answer will be 0.837 meter per second. B is the right answer. Very good, Nagaraju. So I am taking GATE level and slightly more than that, and I am covering all the types of question also. Okay, so guys, just like and share the session so that others can also join it fast. A pinion have 40 teeth. Now I am showing the number of teeth with Z. 40 teeth. Gear have 90 teeth. ZZ is 90. The profile of gear is involute with a pressure angle of 20 degree. Module is 10 mm. And they are saying addendum is also 10 mm. Find the length of path of contact, arc of contact and contact ratio. So you know that path of contact is the first thing you will be calculating. It is given as path of approach plus path of recess. Okay. So when we are going for path of approach, it is given as what? You know that it is RA ka square minus. Yes. Do you remember the formula? It is R square cos square phi minus R sin phi. This is path of approach plus path of recess RA square minus R square cos square phi minus R sin phi. Okay. Don't worry about the radius. Radius can be written as module times number of teeth. Radius can be written as mt by 2. You know module is same for both. You can say that. Okay. So if you want to find out this, mt by 2 will help you to find out small r and capital R. Okay. This is also mt by 2. So you know the number of teeth on pinion will be TP or ZP. Here you will be using TG or ZZ. Okay, you can also use TP and TG. It is your choice. And what about R addendum? It is R plus addendum is already given to us. Okay, so you can find out this, and when you will be getting this, you will be having the value of path of contact. Then arc of contact, I already told you. What is arc of contact? Arc of contact is path of contact divided by cos phi. Divided by cos phi. And then you know what is contact ratio. What is contact ratio? Contact ratio is arc of contact divided by circular pitch. So I have given you all the formulas. Just make the calculation and solve it. Yes. Solve it, guys. Solve it. Solve it. Very good, guys. For the previous question, all of you have done it. I am waiting for this question. This is slightly lengthy, but it is covering all the things. So when we cover all the things, obviously questions are becoming slightly lengthy. So here three things are covered: path of contact, arc of contact and contact ratio. So try to solve it, guys. Yes. What are you getting? Okay, path of contact, Teju is saying 95.56. RA का square minus R square cos square phi minus R sin phi. Yes. You know that radius can be found out using this. Okay, Manas is saying 38.069. Dear, I will say that path of approach is coming 27.165 and path of recess is coming 25.3. I feel you have done some calculation error, and together they will become 52.465. 52.465. Yes. So I feel you have done some calculation mistake. Try to solve it, you will get the right answer. And once you get this, you can find out now the arc of contact just by dividing it with the cos phi. Yes guys, solve it. Yes, very good Kalpesh. So Kalpesh have found out the right values. Path of approach and path of recess. So after that you will get the path of contact. Once you get the path of contact, we can find out the arc of contact. What is arc of contact and contact ratio? Circular pitch is pi times of module. Okay, you just need to put the values now. Very good Malesh, बहुत ही शानदार. Very good Malesh, बहुत ही शानदार. Wonderful. Okay, Kalpesh is saying 28.09. Please check it dear, how it can come like this. You see the angle is 20 degree. So you just need to divide it by cos 20. So path of contact is 52.465. 52.465 divided by cos 20. Yes. Okay, Shubham and Midun are saying the values to be 55.826. That is correct. 55.826. So guys, don't run from the calculation, otherwise how you will do good in exam. Okay Kalpesh, it's fine. So what is the contact ratio now? Datas are with you, values are with you. Just solve it and get the answer guys. We have question from both gears, gear train. I have taken fixing torque question as well. I have taken one question from line diagram of gear as well. So don't miss the opportunity to learn here. Very good Teju. I feel now you got it. What is contact ratio now? Tell me. This is question number 3 going on. We have 12 more questions to go. Yes, solve it guys. Solve it guys. Data, if you want to see, this is the data. Module is given as 10 mm. Just put the values and get the answer. Very good Naveen, Malesh, Kalpesh, Midun. The answer is 1.776. That will be the contact ratio. And can you tell me when contact ratio is coming 1.776, what do you mean by that? It means what? 77%. This is extra. So what is the meaning of this 1.776? That 77% of engagement time or engagement period, 2 pairs are in contact or more than 1 pairs are in contact. That is the meaning. Yes, Mani, the question was this. Okay. Yes, very good Manas. बहुत ही बढ़िया. So let us move to the question number 4 guys now. Let us move to the question number 4 guys now. Question number 4 is, the velocity ratio of two spur gear in mesh is 0.4. Velocity ratio is 0.4. Then they are saying the center distance is 75. There are two spur gears. There are two spur gears. So they are saying this center distance is 75. This is 75. Okay. So this center distance is given as 75. What is this? If this is radius R1, this is radius R2. So you can write this R1 plus R2 is 75. So it is also mentioned that what are the number of teeth on gear for a module of 1.2. Module is also given. So you can write M1 T1 by 2, M2 T2 by 2. is 75. This is one equation. Second equation is 0.4. So you know that if this is 1, this is 2. So speed of 2 by speed of 1. Number of teeth of 1 by number of teeth of 2 is equals to 0.4. So this is equation number 2. Solve the equation, get the answer. Very good, Jamin. Jamin is saying answer is A. Kalpesh is saying A. Shubham is saying A. What about others? What about others? Yes, very good, Jamin. Kalpesh, Manas, Shubham, बहुत ही बढ़िया. This is also a type of gate question, guys. And all of you are correct. I will say the A is the right answer. So guys, tomorrow you are going to get DPP3 ready for that. That will be on gear and gear trains. Now question number 5, guys. The number of teeth on each of two equals per gears are in mesh is 40. So number of teeth Z1, Z2, 40. The teeth have 20-degree involute profile and module is 6 mm. So you need to find out path of contact first. Path of contact. And it is also mentioned the length of arc of contact. What is length of arc of contact? Path of contact by cos phi. This is arc of contact. This is 1.75 times of circular pitch, where circular pitch is module times pi. So guys, this is just to confuse you. They have given the data in a typical manner. Otherwise, it is very easy question. You can use very easily the values and find out the answer. You need to tell the path of contact. Okay. So 1.75 PC into cos phi is your answer. Phi is given to us. Yes, all other things are given to us. Module is known to us. Solve it. Very good. Kalpesh have given the answer as C. Jamin is saying answer as D. Okay. What about others? Okay, Kalpesh is saying D. Fine. So you need to find out path of contact. Yes, solve it, guys. Yes. Okay. Fine. Very good. So for this question, the answer is coming B. Bidun is saying B. Jamin is saying B. Okay, very good. Answer is correct. Naveen, very good. Answer is correct. So answer will be 30.99. So 31 is the correct one. So first of all, you will say arc of contact 1.75 into pi times of module, which is 6. This will be coming out to be equals to 32.97. Getting this, many of you may tick D as the answer. But path of contact is arc of contact into cos phi. So 32.97 into cos 20. The answer will be 31 mm because it will be 30.99. So 31 is correct answer, guys. Teju, you got it. Nagaraju, Malesh, Manas, Naveen, बहुत ही शानदार guys. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप लोग. So today the class timing have been changed from 8:30 to 9 PM because I was having some other class. Because of that it got delayed. Question number 6, guys, now. Question number 6. Okay. Question number 6. This is a cycloidal train shown in the figure. Ring gear is fixed and S is rotating at 300 RPM. Arm is connected to the output shaft. Its speed is. This is once again the question where you will be using the tabular method. Okay, you will be going for the tabular method here. Solve it, guys. Yes, you can see number of teeth are given. Either tabular or algebraic method also can be used. You can use algebraic method as well. Tabular, the student who know tabular method, they can try with that. For algebraic, I am writing the equation as P and S are mating gears. P and S are mating gears. So what we can write is they have given the speeds. So NP minus Nrm divided by NS minus Nrm is equals to minus TS by TP, because it is external gearing connection. This is equation number 1. Second, we can write pinion and ring are also connected. So pinion minus arm divided by ring minus arm is T of R divided by T of P. Because it is internal gearing, so sign will be plus. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. Just inverse it, multiply them, you will get the answer. Okay, so I have given you the equation for algebraic method. Very good. Kalpesh is saying 100 RPM clockwise. Gopal Prasad is also saying 100 RPM clockwise. Very good, Gopal. Kalpesh, what about others? Yes, what about others? What about others? Teju, Midun is also saying B, bahut badhiya. Yes, Teju. So guys, if you want to get daily practice papers, DPPs of all the subject, join my Telegram channel, you will get it. Midun is saying B, Ocean is saying 100 RPM clockwise. Bahut hi badhiya bhai. Bahut hi badhiya. Very good guys. So the answer for this is yes, 100 RPM clockwise. Teju, are you trying it? Yes. So you just need to put the value NP minus NR. What is given for pinion? They are saying that S rotates at 300 RPM. So for sun gear, NS speed is given to us. TS and TP are known to us. So just inverse it and multiply it. What we will get? NP minus NA by NS minus NA into the second equation, inverse it. NR minus NA by NP minus NA. You know NP minus NA will get cancelled out. And here you will be getting in multiplication TS by TP, TP by TR. TS by TP into TP by TR. So TP will be getting cancelled out, minus TS by TR. So you will be getting N arm as 100 RPM clockwise. Positive means clockwise, because we have taken clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Next question, question number 7 guys. So we are covering each and every type of gate questions. Okay. The following data have 2 meshing gears. Velocity ratio 1/3, module 4 mm, pressure angle 20 degrees, center distance 200 mm. Determine the base circle radius. You know what is base circle radius? It is R cos phi. RB is R cos phi. Yes, try this. RB is R cos phi. They have given you the velocity ratio and center distance. So there are 2 gears, 1 and 2. You know once again what is center distance? This is R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2, 200 mm. Okay, it is given to us. Determine the base circle radius. Yes guys, try to solve it. It is given to us. You will use this as first equation. Then you know that diameter you need to find out of the base circle. Yes. Sorry, not diameter, radius. Radius is required. Module is given D by T. Okay. So you also know R can be written as MT by 2. So MT1 by 2 plus MT2 by 2 is equals to 200. So it is mentioned the pressure angle is 20 degree, velocity ratio is 1/3. So it is mentioned that N1 by N2 is 1/3. So you can use this as the ratio of teeths as well. Solve it and get the answer. Okay, Kalpesh is saying 25 and 75. Very good. Number of teeths are great, fine. Very good. So Midun have given the answer to be A. So first of all, the number of teeths what you got is really correct. 25 and 75. Very good, bhai. Very good, Kalpesh. Teju is saying B. Midun is saying A. Kalpesh is saying B. Okay. So, yes, Midun, you also need to cross check, because Jamin also have given the answer B, and yes, B is the right answer, because you will be getting this base circle radius as 140.95. Very good. So the answer is 141 mm. Very good, Jamin. You are also doing nicely. Shubham, Teju, Kalpesh, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Let us move to the question number 8 now, guys. Let us move to the question number 8. 8. So guys, we are still having 7 more questions. So 50% are over, 50% are still left. So just like the session, share the session. This time it is reverted gear train. Gear A has 16 teeth, B have 64 teeth. So Z1 16, Z2 64, ZC 20, which is compounded with B. So the point is, here we have 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, 4 gear. So this is, let us say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Z4 is not known to us. Okay. You know one thing, that this center distance is constant. So you will use this R1 plus R2, R3 plus R4. This is one equation which will help you. Yes, Abhinendra Pratap Singh, good evening, bhai. How are you, dear? Okay, Ocean is saying my calculation angle was in radian. Okay, so convert it into degrees. Okay, so R1, R2, R3, R4. Kalpesh is saying Z4 is 60. Okay, so you need to find out what all the gears have equal module. What is the speed of A? So this is the reverted gear train. You need to find out the speed of gear A. Yes, solve it, guys. Speed of D is 120 RPM is given to us. Speed of D is 120 RPM is given to us. You can write it B, A, C and D. Okay. Yes, solve it. Shubham, Manas, Teju, Kalpesh, Jamin, Abhinendra, Kalpesh, RM10. Solve it, guys. Okay, Kalpesh is saying 1440 RPM. Okay, let us see. Let us wait for others. Divyanshu Yadav is also saying 1440. Ocean is also saying 1440. Okay. Malesh is also saying C. So guys, you need to find out the speed of A. So can we say reverted gear train is a kind of compound gear train? Yes. So with the help of this, we can write the speed of A divided by speed of D. We can write TB, A is driver, B is driven, into TD, C is driver, D is driven, divided by TA into TC. First of all, radius is module times m1 t1 by 2, m2 t2 by 2, m3 t3 by 2, m4 t4 by 2. 2 will get cancelled out. They are saying all are equal modules, so m1, m2, m3, m4 will cancel out. So you will get the equation as TA plus TB is TC plus TD. This will give you the value of TD and the number of teeth on D. What you are getting it? Yes. What are the number of teeth on D you are getting, guys? Please tell me that. Yes. TA is what? 16. TA is 16 plus. TB is 64. It is 20 plus TD. So 16 plus 64 is 80 minus 20. Is it coming out to be 60? Very good. So what you will do now? TB, number of teeth on B, they are 64. 64 into 60 divided by, we have 20 into 16. 23 ja, 16 4 ja. It is becoming 12. So NA will be 12 times of ND. So NA will be coming out to be 1440. The answer is C for this. Next question, guys. Question number 9 now. Okay. 19 tooth pinion. ZP is 19. ZG is 33. Has a module of 2 mm. Pressure angle of 20 degrees. Okay. If the center distance during assembly is increased by 3%, Shubham, you were asking for this type of question. 3 to 4 students have said, sir, solve 2 cases. One is the effect of vibration, other is the concept of fixing torque. So this is the very first type out of those 2. Second will also come. And line diagram was a special request. I feel that by Shubham also. So if you see this, what they are saying is, they are saying you need to find out new pressure angle. You know, whenever vibration happens, the axis of the gears will go either away from each other or will come towards each other. So when it will happen, you know, the pressure angle also changes. Okay. So when we are having this condition, this question is based on that. So you try to solve it. I will give you the hint for that, but first try. Okay. We know that actually the base circle radius is the pitch circle radius into cos phi. So it simply means that RB is inversely proportional to, RB is, okay, now solve this. I have given you the idea. I have given you the hint. Now you solve it by yourself. Okay. So yes, try to solve it now. I have given you the idea. Yes, what they are saying is module is given to us, number of teeth are given to us. And you know radius is module into Z by 2. This is the radius if you want to find out. This will be the pitch circle radius. What they are saying is, they are saying that increased by 3%. Center distance is increased by 3%. So my dear, if center distance will be increasing, obviously the radius will also be increasing. So initially, let us say this was the center distance between 2 gears. Okay. Now the center distance have been increased. It goes here, it goes there. So when center distance will be increasing, obviously the radius will also increase. So it simply means that you can write RP is inversely proportional to cos phi. Okay. So you just need to do this thing. RP2 by RP1 is equals to cos phi 1 by cos phi 2. Okay. So my dear, just need to do this, try this, you will get the answer. Okay, many of you have already answered it as A. Yes. Teju have given the answer as A. Yes, Nagaraju, Shubham, Midun. This is one way to do. Okay. because they are giving only the data in this way, so we are using it. Teju, have you done it like that only, or the second way I have given you in the class? Yes? Teju, have you done in the same way or the other way which I have given you in the class? Solve it, guys, solve it. This is question number 9 going on. We are still left with 6 more questions. Yes, guys. You need to find out the new pressure angle. Midun is saying 24.2. Yes, correct, Midun. So, in the class, I have given you one more way. I said that initially, let us say small r plus r is, let us say, some distance x. Then, you can write r dash plus capital R dash is 1.03 times of x. Now, you know, these are the pitch circle radius only. Okay. So, you can use this as well to solve the same. Okay, so it is on you how you are solving it. Shubham is also saying A. Very good. So guys, the answer for this is going to be A with this shortcut technique. You just need to find out the phi 2 value. So you know that it is increased by 3%. So we will be using this. RP2 is 1.03 times of RP1 and this will give you the answer to be 24.17. Very good guys. बहुत बढ़िया. The ocean, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Kalpesh, बहुत ही बढ़िया. This is the question once again from the compound gear train. Guys, this is easy question. I will expect you will be doing it. And in the recent gate means after 2014, they are asking compound gear train more than epicyclic. So try to solve it, guys. Yes, try to solve it, guys. So the data is in front of you, question is in front of you, solve it. They have given you the gear, they have given you the number of teeths. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Yes, and guys, do like and share the session. Yes. So guys, you just need to identify driver and driven. I am writing driver and driven because it is compound gear train. 1 is driver, 2 is driven, 3 is driver, 4 is driven. Then, yes, 5 is driver, 6 is driven. So you can write N1 by N6, T2, T4, T6, T1, T3, T5, and you will be getting the value of N6. Solve it and get the answer. Manas is saying B is the answer for 10th one. Okay. What about others? Teju is also saying B will be the answer. Ocean, Kalpesh, Midun, Shubham, B. Very good. Naveen, very good. Nagaraju, what do you feel? So all are saying B to be the answer. Very good, Divyanshu Yadav. The answer is correct, guys. When all of you are agreed on the same, answer is correct. Very good. So guys, you just need to multiply with the number of teeths. T2, T4, T6. 50, 75, 65. T1, T3, T5. 20, 25, 26. You know that 0, 0 will get cancelled out. 5 will give you 5 here. Okay, or you can also cancel it like this 5 will make it 15. This 13 2 ja 26, 13 5 ja, and you will be getting the value to be 52 RPM. There 13 will be coming, I feel. Yes. Great. Very good, Mani. Very good, Malesh. Yes, Nagaraju. Have you done it or not? I feel this is very easy question. So you know the value of N1, you need to get the N6. So you will be getting it to be 52 RPM. Moving to question number 11. Yes, very good. Moving to question number 11. This time epicyclic gear train. Epicyclic gear train. In the figure, if wheel A is stationary, it means NA will be 0. Okay. And B rotates about its own axis at 400 RPM. In clockwise direction, the speed of C is. So you will write NA minus NR by NB minus NR minus TB by TA. Algebraic method is the best tool you have. Okay, so you can apply this. They have also mentioned the sign convention. Consider clockwise to be positive, anti-clockwise to be negative. So you need to find out the speed of C. C is nothing but the arm. So N arm needs to be calculated. So it is minus 120 by 45. You need to find out N arm. Solve it, guys, solve it. Yes. So Teju, very good. Teju is saying 109.09. What about others? Okay, 110. Very good, Midun. Teju, Midun, very good. Okay. So you will be getting the value of speed of arm to be 109.089. Okay, very good. So we have completed 11 questions. Now moving to question number 12. Very good, Kalpesh. Moving to question number 12. Sachin, are you there or not? You are not solving the problems. So question number 12 says a fixed gear having 200 teeth is in the mesh with another gear having 50 teeth. The two gears connected by an arm, the number of turns made by the smaller gear for one revolution of arm about the center of the bigger gear. Yes. Solve this one, guys. Once again, it is epicyclic gear train. So, fixed gear, another gear, arm. Okay. So, they are saying this is having 200 teeth, this is having 50 teeth. The number of turns made by the smaller gear. So, if this is sun, this is planet, you need to find out NP. If NS is 1. Okay. The smaller gear for one revolution of arm. NS is 0. NA is 1. So you apply the same equation we have just seen. What was that? Equation was NS minus N arm, N planet minus N arm is equals to minus TP by TS. Get the value of NP. Algebraic method is applicable only for epicyclic and planetary gear trains. Okay, Ocean is saying C, please. Okay, I will say check it again. Some mistake I feel you have done. Midun's answer is correct. Midun's answer is correct. D. So you will be putting the value sun is 0 minus an arm. Planet is need to be calculated. An arm is minus 50 by 200. This is given as 1 revolution. Okay. So you will put the value of 1. Yes. Very good, Naveen, Divyan, Shubham, Teju and Midun. The answer is D for this. So we are left with 3 more questions, guys. So Midun, don't worry. As I already promised, from the next week onwards, we will be coming with the marathon session soon. So be ready for the same. Okay, we will be coming soon for that. So that will give you the revision of theory as well. An epicyclic gear train have shaft A, B, C. A is input shaft running at 200 RPM. NA is plus 200. B is an output shaft. NB is minus 400. Torque applied at A. TA is 50 kilonewton meter. The torque needed to fix the shaft C. You need to find out the fixing torque. So Shubham, are you there or not? This is the second type you were asking. Yes. Nagaraju, I feel you also said I got 3 to 4 messages for this type. So I also told you that here what you need to do. C is already mentioned that fixing torque for C. So the speed of C is 0. So you can write TANA plus TBNB is equals to 0. Why? Because NC is 0. Otherwise the equation is T into N is equals to 0. So we can write TANA plus TBNB plus TCNC is equals to 0. Put NC 0, you will get this equation. With this equation you can find out TB. And once you get the TB value, I will say TA plus TB plus TC is 0. TC is nothing but fixing torque. Solve it and get the answer. Solve it and get the answer. Yes, guys. Solve it and get the answer. Okay, no issues. The Ocean, solve it. So guys, I have given you the hint and I told you how to solve such type of questions. We are left with 2 more questions, guys. We are left with 2 more questions. Manas have given the answer to be C. Okay. Some are saying C, some are saying D. 75 will come clockwise or anti-clockwise, that is the issue. Okay. So guys, when you will find out TC, T fix, it will be coming minus 75. Minus means anti-clockwise. Answer will be D. Very good. Guys, you have tried well, only the direction was wrong. Naveen, Malesh. So answer is wrong because direction you have taken it opposite. Very good, Ocean, Manas. Question number 14 is from line diagram, guys. So I feel everybody would be aware of the line diagram of the gears. Okay, I am telling you, this shows the complete gear. This shows the half gears. Okay, this shows the arm. This is arm, half gear, complete gear, and this shows ring gear, half. Why? Because this is the axis of rotation of that. So you can see 2 and 3 are connected with external gearing. So you can write omega 2 minus omega arm by omega 3 minus omega arm is minus T3 by T2. This also on the Shubham's request I have taken. Similarly, you see 4 and 5 are internal gearing. So you will write here minus because of external gearing. So omega 4 minus omega arm, omega 5 minus omega arm, T5 by T4. This time no negative sign. Why? Because internal gearing. So you just need to do one thing. You know that omega 3, omega 4 are same because gear 3 and gear 4 are on the same shaft. So because of that you will multiply these two equations. This denominator will get cancelled out with this denominator and you will be getting the final answer. So let us see how many get the right answer. Shubham, very good. So this is the last question, guys, for you. I feel all of you have done it. Yes. Shubham, I have given the answer D. What about others? Try this, those who have not done yet. I need answer from all of you. Yes, guys. Solve this one. Solve this one. Very good. हाँ भाई, शुभम, तेजू, ओशियन, मलेश, नवीन, नागराजू, दिव्यांशु, मानस. Solve it. अरे भाई, omega 2 is given, omega arm is given, angular velocity of omega 5 is required. Teju is saying B. Okay, let us see. Shubham is saying C. Okay. So guys, you just need to multiply these two equations. Omega 2 minus omega arm by omega 3 minus omega arm into 4 minus 5, 4 minus arm, 5 minus arm. Here minus T3 by T2, T5 by T4. This will get cancelled out. So you will be getting omega 2 minus omega arm, omega 5 minus omega arm. This is the number of teeth. T3, T5, T2, T4. Okay, now you just need to put the value. You can see omega 2 is 100, omega arm is 80, 180. But you can see one is clock, other is NT. So NT means minus. So it is minus 80. 100 minus of minus 80. Minus T3, T5. T3, T5. They have given 24 and 80. 24 and 80. T2 and T4. T2 and T4, 20 and 32. 20 and 32. 20 will give us 4 here. 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32. So the answer is coming out to be, sorry, this is omega 5. So omega 5 will be, I feel it is minus 140. Minus 140 means anti-clockwise. So guys, please tell me, are your request, whatever you said, sir, we want this type question, we want this type, I have covered all. These are the maximum type till date have been asked in GATE and can be asked in GATE. I have covered the previous year's type and new upcoming types. So if you know how to solve these types of problem, you can very easily give the GATE examination with respect to gear you are prepared for exam. Okay, so I feel these practice sessions are very, very useful for you guys. So join my Telegram channel to also